Are you tired of tirelessly scribbling affirmations in your diary, hoping for a breakthrough? Have you ever wished for a faster and more efficient way to manifest your desires? Well, my friends, today is the day your wishes come true. Let's face it, we all have those days when our energy is drained, our motivation wanes, and the thought of writing becomes an arduous task. But fear not, for I understand your struggle. And that is precisely why I am here today, ready to reveal a technique that will revolutionize the way you manifest. In just 24 hours, you can witness the magic unfold before your very eyes. Allow me to introduce you to a technique I have personally crafted, infused with the powerful teachings of Neville Goddard. Prepare to be astounded as you witness incredible results within a single day of practicing this transformative method. This technique is not a time-consuming endeavor. In fact, it requires only 10 minutes of your precious time, but its potential for transformation is unparalleled. If you're ready to manifest your desires quickly and effortlessly, you are in the right place. This is your golden opportunity to step into a world where dreams materialize at an astonishing pace. Say goodbye to the endless hours spent writing and hello to a revolutionary approach that will set you on the path to unparalleled manifestation. My friends, prepare for a whirlwind journey of rapid manifestation, a journey that will forever transform the trajectory of your dreams. So, gather your focus, summon your intentions, and buckle up, for the ride of your life awaits. Welcome to the realm of swift manifestations. Don't miss a single second, as together we uncover the astounding power of this technique. The countdown to your desires begins now. If you're ready to learn this powerful technique, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Have you heard of Neville Goddard's manifestation technique? Neville Goddard was a spiritual teacher who believed that all of our desires could be achieved in just 24 hours. In this video, we will explore the 3 steps of the technique, how to use sound to amplify your visualization, and how to use positive affirmations to manifest your desires. Introducing Neville Goddard's manifestation technique, a unique approach designed to manifest desired results within a day by practicing for only 10 minutes. This technique was developed using Neville Goddard's teachings and is based on the law of attraction and visualization. Let's see how it works. The first step is to wake up at 3 a.m., which helps you align with your subconscious mind. Once you're awake, identify 5 major limiting beliefs that are holding you back from achieving your desired state. Write these beliefs down on paper to gain a better understanding of them objectively. Limiting beliefs act as hidden barriers to success, so it's crucial to analyze them closely in order to break free. Writing these beliefs on paper can serve as a tangible reminder of what needs to be addressed before proceeding to the second step. The second step involves visualizing your desired state as if you've already achieved it. This process also requires letting go of any negative thoughts or emotions that might be hindering your progress. You can use affirmations during visualization, such as "I am capable" or "I will succeed," to reinforce positive thought patterns. So basically, this step involves transforming these limiting beliefs into positive statements. By doing so, you challenge and counteract them, shifting your mindset and empowering yourself to manifest your desires. After writing them down, you can either read them aloud or whisper them softly, allowing the words to resonate and reinforce the newly established belief system that propels you towards your manifestation goals. The third step is to focus on the emotions associated with achieving your desire. Feelings of bliss, joy, or gratitude should accompany the visualization process for optimal results. Don't forget this step. Feeling good about what you've created is just as important as visualizing it. This step encourages engaging in visualization and emotional connection by creating a comfortable environment that allows you to focus your attention inward. Picture your desired outcomes with vividness and clarity, immersing yourself in the visual aspect as well as the other senses associated with the manifestation, such as feeling the warmth or coolness of a breeze or the softness of fabric against your skin. Once you have completed each step, find a way to release negative thoughts symbolically, whether by erasing words in your mind's eye, tearing paper into tiny pieces to represent the dismantling of mental barriers, or repeating positive affirmations softly for 3 to 5 minutes. Carry a piece of paper containing the positive statements, such as in your wallet, as a reminder of your new beliefs and the process you have set into motion, leading you towards your manifestation goals. With faith, belief, commitment, and consistency, Neville Goddard's 3-step manifestation technique will guide you on your journey towards success. You shall now feel a sense of completeness, knowing that your desire has already been received by higher powers. This helps establish a strong energetic connection to manifest your previously set goals and ensure success within 24 hours. So why wait? Start manifesting today. Friends, in this section of the video, we will explore how sound can amplify your visualization. This technique combines the power of belief and faith with the law of attraction and visualization to help you manifest what you want in life. First, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Focus on the desired outcome and create a vivid image or movie in your mind. Then, layer sound over the visualization. Use recordings of laughter from loved ones, applause from an audience, or gentle whispers of nature that match up with the desired outcome. Don't forget to engage your sense of touch too. Imagine yourself physically interacting with your desire as if it were present right in front of you. Engage emotions as well. Allow yourself to feel joy and excitement that arise from experiencing what you want when visualizing. Positive audio affirmations should be added too for further reinforcement and emotional connection, such as "I am worthy" or "I have everything I need," etc. While reinforcing statements twice daily after manifesting for increased effectiveness helps keep believing in infinite possibilities without attaching any doubts or resistance that may pop up along the way. Finally, when done visualizing, it's time to let go and sleep. Trust that the process has been set in motion and surrender any control or force over timing or outcomes so that all energies can move freely towards creating what is desired. Another way of practicing this technique is to take time out of your day to sit in a quiet place without any distractions. Softly whisper each affirmation while visualizing them as true and feeling the power behind them. By repeating these affirmations over and over again, you reprogram your subconscious mind to dissolve any doubts or limiting beliefs surrounding the manifestation of your desires. When you finish reciting the affirmations, fold up the paper containing them and carry it with you throughout the day as a reminder of your intentions. This will help shift your mindset and vibration towards your manifestation goals. Remember, it's not just about reciting words on paper. You must also embody the emotions and beliefs associated with your desires. Feel joy, gratitude, and fulfillment as you believe in the desired outcome, while also connecting with energies aligned with the attainment of your goal through visualization techniques incorporated into your practice. Congratulations, my friends! You've just discovered a manifestation technique that can bring your desires to life within just 24 hours. By following the steps I've shared, you can awaken your manifesting potential and transform your life. Remember, this technique is backed by the teachings of Neville Goddard, a master in the art of manifestation. So don't hesitate to give it a try and witness the magic unfold in your life. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more powerful manifestation techniques. Thank you for watching, and may your dreams become your reality. May God bless you in your manifestation journey.